They're rapid.
I think these pigs are going to look a bit smaller now. Pretty sure we should have just put them in the boot in a puppy crate.
How many pigs do you think we're picking up today? 10, 20 in that big tractor? Well, you'd be wrong. 2 little pig loads.
Today's collection is 2 Gloucester Old Spot Wieners. They're a little bit bigger than the ones we're picking up on Sunday, but we'd already reserved them with a local breeder, so we're going to pick those up. Yeah. We're back.
Stop.
We got back in one piece. Took a little bit longer and we lost Jo on the way. We dropped her off at my nan's house, where we're staying at the moment, so she can finish making dinner, which happens to be sausage casserole. It appears that pigs like to sleep as they move. Unlike sheep and horses and everything that stand up and must be absolutely knackering to be travelling on your feet, they make the most of the journey. Hey pigs! Rosa, come and put that in there.
Okay.
All the way so it joins up with the other one. Right, you hold it, you don't feed them. You're just going to give it a shake in a minute. Not yet, hold it still, because they're going to follow you, okay? I'm not sure why we've given you this job, Rosa. Come on, girl.
Shake it, Rosa.
That's right, not yet. Let them come out gradually. Well done. Okay.
Look, Lara.
Oh, they know where to go. Right, you need to go ahead of them, Rosa. They're meant to be following you. But...
Shake it.
Give it a shake, Rosa.
Shake it.
Well done.
Yum.
They're pretty big, aren't they? Are they, who's noisier at eating, girls? You or them?
Them.
Lift your head up, girls, and then you might find it. Oh, 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 hooray!
Nice.
Flying in here. The other one hasn't found. Oh no, we left some in the trailer. Oh, we've got 2 more.
No, shut it.
Careful, mind your fingers. At the weekend, we've got to pick up 4 more.
What?
They're going to be a little bit smaller than
Oh,
those.
that's good.
And then a mummy pig. And she is probably as wide as this trailer.
Longer than you.
Yeah, she's longer than me. She's a pig, a big adult pig.
Like how?
You've got pigs on your hands. Rosa, you've been waiting to give them that apple, haven't you? Now, hang on, listen. I need to split it in half, otherwise, gentle. That's it, mind your fingers. First day of the Easter holidays, we were all having a lie-in, but then we all got up early, so I'm going to take the girls down to do pig chores. Pigs in pyjamas today. Pigs are pretty much creatures of habit, and they get used to being fed at a certain time. When they're hungry, they're noisier than our girls, so if it turns out that the previous owners fed them at 7 AM, then they're probably wondering where the breakfast is. but they've been pretty quiet. I thought they'd be squealing when they heard the car. Don't startle them. Are they in?
Yeah, they're fine.
But no, I meant, if not, I know, I was hoping they were in there. I meant, hello girls. How was your bedtime? Hello. It's okay. Oh, you didn't see me coming, did you? Because of your ears. Morning folks, it's bright and early, Sunday morning. It's pig pickup day 2. We need to weigh their food so we know what's in a scoop. We're not feeding them yet, they're going to make a noise so they know it's coming. So we want to see how much a scoop is. Tell me when it gets to 1.5 kilo. So it's basically a whole scoop. You're not very good at sharing, are you? Now today's pigs are going to be kept separate. And we've got 2 pens. Done another temporary pen in here. But the little ones that are coming today can have this. Level, keep your fingers away from the lens.
So, which ones do you want?
Stand back there because they're going to squeal.
Alright?
Yeah.
Which is the next one? Huh?
Get one of the ones with more black spots on, maybe.
Oh, sweet. You alright?
Maybe another one of these
yeah,
ones?
she's nice there.
Good.
And then probably that one. She's got a little bit of a rub mark there.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I have lots.
You can hold it until you keep it.
I can't see.
Good girl, good girl. Come on, you 3 piglets in your seats. Check everyone's in. Big mama. Bubbies. Okay, put it in a pile, put it in a pile, put it in a pile. Alright, Mummy Pig. Mummy Pig was fairly event free. Now we've got to split our pens back up. Yeah? So put a bit of that straw in there so it smells like them. Hi girls. Come on girls. Come on then, this way. You little clever sausage. They're rapid. What are they doing, Maggie? until we got the electric fencing set up out in the fields. This, whilst we're here as a supervised area, this yard with a bit of grass is fairly secure. So we'll let them have a bit of a charge about. Let's go and check on the little Oxford weaners. Here they are. So these are our Oxford Sandy and Blacks. We need to keep them separate for a few weeks, just until they've chunked up a bit, and then they can probably all go out. So we'll have the 6 out in a pen, and then obviously Mama Pig will probably be in her own pen for now. She's the mother of these. What the plan is probably to keep the best of these 4 on for breeding. So we'll keep the 2 sows, the mum and the daughter. Now Matilda, which is Mama Pig, let's go and have a look at her. Hey Matilda, good girl. Hello. Look, lift her eyes up. Hello. Isn't that? She brought it upon herself. She did have that nice little straw pen over there, but she's like a bulldozer, which we kind of were expecting, I guess. So we just need to put another hurdle on this one. And then she's basically got the whole length in there. I think we definitely have to call it there for our weekend of pig collections. We weren't as prepared as we could have been. Obviously the smaller pen is fine and the 2 separate bits was okay. We weren't really expecting to get the sow, and obviously they're huge, which we were expecting, but we've given her a quarter of the barn because the cattle gates we can shut, so we know she's secure in there. But I think we really want to kind of get her out on the grass. She obviously has lost condition, so it'd be really nice to treat her to a bit of free ranging soon and acclimatise her back to some electric fencing. The main concern for me is making sure that we've got a good perimeter fence, or at least an adequate perimeter fence around the fields, so that if any mishaps do happen, electric fencing down, battery down, whatever, we're going to try and keep on the mains anyway with the energizers, but at least there's a backup, because we don't really want to be chasing pigs down the fields, down the lanes. Anyway, it's exciting stuff to have grown-up livestock on the farm. Obviously the poultry we're pretty accustomed to, but nice to have 4 feet running around. No doubt there'll be lots more content around the pigs in the future, but it won't be all spam. I should have thought of that one before I made this video. Maybe we can change the title. Anyway, thank you for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time. That's a good one.
That's somebody's nose. Oh, you like it, don't you? You're very, very, very sharp teeth. Did you know that pigs can crunch bones? They're all lining up. I know you're right. But that one, I think, is the spottiest. Because look, do you think it is the spottiest? Well, it's that one, or it's that one. Which one do you think it is? You can have a little think, and then you could say, oh, I think it's that one, but then I really think it's this one. You don't have to say anything, but